This text effect looks pretty epic, and it was created without writing any code. Let me show you how. First, open the Framer project and write out a few words of text. Then, go to the Framer.university website and search for the vaporized text effect. Copy and then paste it into your project. I'll nicely position it below the text I already had in there. For styling, you can use the Write Properties panel, and the way this component works is you add a bunch of text layers here, and the component will be cycling through them with this amazing effect. What component should I create next? Let me know in the comments.